Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Rancilio Silvia Espresso machine. Now for this machine, it was brought here because there was no water getting pulled into the boiler, and that was because this water pump from 2006 needed to be replaced. And we also had to replace the switches, as this one, the power switch, was not having any LED lights, as well as the roof unit switch. It was not lighting up the way it's supposed to. So we replaced those two switches of the machine, and we also replaced the boiler gasket of the machine, which it gave us a lot of trouble to really remove. Some of these screws that you see right here are completely rusted through. As you can see, this is the remaining of one of the little screws. They were really in really bad condition. We had to use a Dremel in order to completely remove that screw that you see right there. This one that you see right here. So we had to really get in there and remove it like that. We were able to successfully install the newer ones, and those are the ones that are installed right now. 1 second. Gotta use a light in there, but as you can see, brand new screws, no leaks or anything in the boiler. So yeah, that's all we did with this espresso machine. It was a little quite a work to get to remove that boiler, deep clean everything in there, remove some of the scale buildup that was in the boiler as well, and just replace that boiler gasket. So starting with 1 shot of espresso, let's test this machine out. Then we're gonna use the steam of the machine, and yep. Probably need to tamper a little bit more harder for that coffee. As you saw, it's really fast. It's pouring out pretty fast in there. It's barely gonna do a little bit of crema, but we're still gonna see some crema on the top of the machine. And as you saw, it has really excellent pressure coming out of this machine. We're not using the machine's portafilter, original portafilter. We're using another machine's portafilter, but nice steady flow coming out of the machine, working excellent. Water working really great. So let's now test the steam. Now this is a single boiler espresso machine, so it's going to take a little bit for the boiler to heat up and get up temperature. But once it gets to temperature, this light will go off, and we'll be able to use the steamer at full pressure. Yeah, these screws were really tough to remove. Most of them, you can see the level of damage. They're rusted into most of these screws. They're not looking great. Thankfully, we were able to remove all of them without any issues like we had with that one. Okay, even though we haven't seen the light over here, I'm gonna just use the steamer, as I don't want this video to be 5 minutes, be a 5-minute video. So we're gonna just first bend down a little bit, and let's show you the pressure of the machine. As you can see, it's a nice steady steam coming out of the machine. Working really great, having really good pressure and excellent temperature as well. Pass it over here, and yeah, just working really good. So, thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.